Top Metro FM.
For the grown and sexy, 23 minutes after 10 o'clock, breaking away into Ask a Man. We are ready. The Naked DJ and Somizi are here, and we've got Anonymous. Anonymous, good morning.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Oh, something about your voice that just got me excited. Do you have your radio on, Anonymous?
No, I don't, actually.
All right, getting a bit of feedback this side. Okay, that's fine. Let me read you the house rules and then we will start. And then if there's any interruptions, I will let you know. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity. And your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
All right. Mama, we're listening.
Hi, guys. Hi, Good. Hi, Naked. Hi, Somizi.
Yeah. Hi, Mama.
So I'm just calling today because I've got I think it's a problem. Okay, the two questions. Let me start with the questions. I want to know if I am overreacting. I also want to know if this is something that all men do. And I also want to know what it means when a man withdraws instead of taking accountability. So, yeah, if they withdraw instead of taking accountability for your boundaries that you have set in the relationship. Mm-hmm. So I have been dating this guy for about 2 years now. It's somebody I've known for almost 10 years now. Mm-hmm. When we were slightly younger, we did like each other, but I feel like we just weren't ready for each other. So, yeah, we only made it official about 2 years ago. We don't have kids together. We both in our 30s. I'm in my early 30s. He's in his late 30s. Mm. Our relationship is fairly okay. We don't have any other issues besides this one that I'm going to talk about. Mm. He's reliable. He communicates. He literally has dropped everything for me whenever I would be in need or whenever I would need help or whatnot. But he's been present, he's been showing up, he's been doing what's necessary. But we've been having a problem with his social media activity. Let's say if he had a following of about 4,000 people on social media, probably like 2,000 to 3,000 of those are women, right? And it's not women like myself. I'm a fairly normal girl, just like the girl you would consider as the girl next door. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of baddies. It's a lot of BBLs, a lot of bums, a lot of boobs all over. And he goes around his whole social media just liking those pictures. And I see it. It's activity that I see. I addressed it with him for the first time, maybe about 6 months into our relationship. And he advised that it's something that he would stop entirely. But it never stopped. It continued. Reduced it a bit. I'll give him that. Addressed it the second time, and he still said he's sorry. He is working on it, and he'll definitely keep working on it. But whenever I'd ask him why he does it, he can't answer that question. He just doesn't answer it. And then brought it up again for the third time now about a week ago. And he flat out just kept quiet, and we haven't spoken ever since. So for me, then, it's just, I don't know, it's raised a lot of questions for me to say that, so you're willing to compromise what we have and what we're trying to build, just to make girls who don't even follow you back, who don't even see you, who probably don't even care for your existence, you'd rather make them happy or please them with likes or whatever, or try get validation from them in this way. I don't know. So I just wanted to find out, am I overreacting? Do all men do this? And what does the silence from him mean?
Okay.
For me, I just see it as I'm holding you accountable for something you said you would stop completely. When we had the conversation the first time and he said to me, I can't stop it, then I think it would be unfair for me to try ask him to stop something that he said he wouldn't do. But I'm just holding you accountable to the words that you used when you said I will stop this completely.
Breathe, sis. Breathe, mama. Breathe. Yo. Has he cheated maybe for you to be this insecure?
He hasn't cheated, not that I know of.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
No, he's a good guy, right? Like besides the so what are your issues that he about Ama likes?
And the following, it's not women like me.
Is he following them or they're following him?
The question, is that what you like?
Is he following them or they are following him?
He's following them.
So
He's following them.
You missed something that she said.
What did she say?
Her biggest concern is this the kind of woman you like?
Okay.
And while I'm here, because she doesn't
Like
have
them.
a BBL. She's
Okay.
not,
I get you.
Yeah.
I've got, oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I've got answer for this. You are going to leave here very BBL.
Yeah.
Brave, beautiful, and light.
Wow.
I really hope so, because I'm not feeling too great right now.
Whoa. Nawe yakhuluma. Whoa. Siyeza.
Easy.
Hayi siyeza. Indaba yakhe imnandi.
Okay, so I've been with my partner for 4 years.
Your partner acting a little strange?
So, Anonymous, listen,
The gents will help you figure it out on Ask a Man.
Why are you still there? Besides saying I love him.
I love him.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock. Let's get into Anonymous's story, especially if you missed it. You're just joining us right now. So Anonymous has been with her partner for about 2 years now. They've known each other for about 10 years. She says he's a great partner, does most things in their relationship right. However, the problem they have is his social media. He follows a lot of, can I just say, baddies, and is always liking pictures of half-naked women who are posing provocatively. She notes that it's also women that look nothing like her, which leave her wondering if that's what he actually prefers. Now, she is at the stage where she's confronted him about this behavior, etc. He said that he would change. He hasn't. About a week ago, there we go. She tried to make him account for this, but he got upset and they haven't spoken since. She's basically asking if I'm overreacting. Is that what all men do? What does it mean when a man throws or basically withdraws and doesn't take accountability for boundaries she has set in their relationship? Anonymous, we're on the same page.
We are on the same page.
Perfect.
Question: how does he look? Yeah, I get when you are a girl next door. Yeah, how is he? Is he a guy next door or is he a stud?
He's beautiful. He's a beautiful man.
Like he's
I'm
model
the girl
type.
next door, but I'm gorgeous.
What?
So he's beautiful.
Like model
he's a
type,
beautiful man.
6-pack, tall.
He's
athletic.
tall. He's got an okay body, not necessarily packed. He's not a gym guy,
Yeah.
but he's a beautiful man. He's got a beautiful face.
Or
as
like
well.
naked DJ Saw.
Naked is on another level. Yes. Naked is
Fair.
athletic, handsome,
Fair.
beautiful,
Fair.
sexy,
And he's got a body.
attractive,
Yes.
Guys,
and poor.
it's a filter.
Wait.
It's a filter, okay? Ngiyamuza lo, yazi ngifuna ukumthuka. But it's okay, I'll let it go.
All right. Naked.
Anonymous, your question is, am I overreacting? Yes, you are overreacting.
Okay.
Anonymous, social media is not a real place, okay? Yeah. And don't compare yourself to filters and whatever that these people put on their pictures. I mean, when you see them in real life, like, it's flat. Like Anonymous, social media is just not a real place. All right. The only concern is, why does he get some sort of I don't know if this is the right word, but some dopamine fix just from liking or whatever. And he's with you, right?
Is it not disrespectful though to me and to our relationship?
How is it disrespecting you? By liking things that have filters on them and things that have Photoshop, like Abo Popeye, basically. It's not a real thing. It's not a real picture. Are you scared that somebody else might see the likes and say, this is what he likes and his woman looks like this, therefore he's not really in love with her? Is it abantu bazothini kind of thing?
I feel like it's embarrassing. I feel like I need to have some kind of pride in the relationship that we're trying to build, and how you portray yourself as well says something about how solid we are.
Okay.
So when you are outside portraying yourself as though you are easily accessible.
No, but it's just liking pictures. You know, Anonymous, at a certain point, right? Let's say if his followers grow and he can now monetize. And the more likes he gets, the more money he makes and he brings home. You know? Guys,
he's already making money.
But there's never enough money. And when you can't dictate which the money stops here.
Okay.
Yeah, bo? Now, Anonymous, at a certain point, like, I don't know, guys, I could never be with a person, let's say, if they post something and then nobody likes it. And then it's like, how can if my partner posts something, it better be liked. And I don't care who likes it, but the like count better be high. And I don't care who whose pics my partner is liking. Who says, how is that a reflection on me if she's liking six-pack guys and that have loads of money? You know? She comes home to me. She's at my house right now.
You just had a baby.
Yeah, I went too. You know, because Anonymous, I don't take social media seriously. People monetize, people do this, it's social media. It's just, and I love the weirdest thing, I think, off air, Given was saying, it's a game. Earlier on, Given Baloy, he was saying, hey, social media, if you're on TikTok, it's just people, you need to play the game. You play the game so you can get jobs elsewhere. You play the game so you can monetize. You play the game, and after you play the game, when you switch that, whatever it is, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, when you switch it off, you go back to your real life. He goes back to the real you. Umuntu oneibunu zamampela. Not BBLs. Like, who wants a BBL, Anonymous?
Him, clearly.
Your bum is... No, he doesn't like... He likes it in that other world. But in real life, you got a nice butt, don't you? Girl next door.
Maybe.
Anonymous. Right? And you said you are pretty. You are pretty. You got a nice... you take good care of yourself, don't you? And don't say, Ugutwena, you don't take good care of yourself. 24/7. You don't look at yourself. You don't look after yourself, blah, blah, blah. Hence, when he likes somebody that looks good, then you are jealous of that. You look good.
I don't even think... I think you're missing it a bit naked. I don't even think it's a jealousy thing. My thing is that can't be all that your social media is based on. So that's my problem.
Anonymous.
My problem is every time when you go on your social media, it can't just be boobs and bums all over.
Anonymous, you just said it. It's his social media.
Okay.
Yeah, it's his. It's not yours. When I know your tandabo abantu abenza homemade cookies and homemade deodorants and makeup abantu abacrochetayo, nobody's gonna come and say, hey, why do you like crocheting on your social media? It's his social media.
Okay, I hear you.
Sweetheart, sweetie pie.
Hi, sweetie.
Now you're going to delete everything that Naked says because he's talking rubbish.
Okay.
Rubbish. Nonsensical. He's just wasted his breath. How? A partner, you can't be with a partner who your partner is supposed to enhance your confidence and security. And he mustn't be the devil that's formed against your insecurities. Your partner, as much as they are not fully responsible for your securities and your self-esteem, but they can help you be content and be boost your self-esteem and your confidence in a relationship, right? Trust me, if roles were reversed, he would probably have left you just for pressing like on a Maps Maponyana's picture.
Max Maponyana.
Maps, not
okay.
Max Tangazam. Max is our age group. Maps Maponyana, right?
Okay, sorry.
If you had pressed a like on Tumiseko's picture, it was going to be an issue because, like I said again, men are physical. He's going to start comparing himself. He's going to look at Tumi's six-pack and look at his non-pack. He's going to look at what he drives and looks at what he drives. They compare each other. It was going to be a huge issue. You are justifiable. You are justifiable. What does he stand to lose from not liking? He can just look. I don't think there's any issue if he just looks. He can just look and it goes past. But for the sake that he likes, one, I can assure you, it does not mean that they are the type of women that you would like to settle with, but there are definitely, some of them are a type of women that you would like to snuku with.
And DM.
Yes. If that woman responds, it's game over for you for 2 weeks. Game over. Game over.
Yes.
Lalela, if that woman responds, it's a uzandamaseka. I'm telling you.
I think it has a lot to do with this thing. Like just
Let me tell you, Anonymous, I'm telling you, if that woman responds,
Game over.
your relationship's gonna be on taking grounds. Because it's an interest. And I'm speaking both from a realistic point of view, but I'm also speaking both from my reality's point of view. If I don't just like I don't just like for the sake of you inspire me to have a six-pack. No, you inspire me to call you and we do something. Okay. So it's dangerous. He has nothing to lose by not liking naked. He can just look. And especially when your partner has addressed it, Uti, this does not make me feel okay. Respect that. Would you rather lose a relationship than just understanding where your partner is coming from?
Sometimes you want freedom in a relationship.
Yes.
And so, Mizi, if you need a motivational speaker, Hambo Chola no a motivational speaker.
No.
You know what I
Naked,
mean?
you are
Uzo Chola no
speaking-
vusitemba why?
No,
Uzo Chola nae. I mean, I'm not in a relationship to, to have two motives.
Naked
Let me
people
tell you.
can't communicate their boundaries in relationships.
Yes, you can.
It's my boundaries.
Naked is speaking from a place of privilege. I can
What
tell
do
you.
you mean?
You're speaking from a place of privilege. Your relationship is at a place where it is so secure that you have forgotten. You're out of touch with reality. You are speaking from a place of privilege, and you know, Uguti, if you are to walk in at home, you unamanga naked.
No, you know what,
Nelson?
Nelson is? Not even that. I'm speaking from, let's say, I'm actually right now, I'm picturing myself as a single person, getting into a fresh relationship. I don't want to be with a person that's going to police me and say, you liked this. Why did you like this? Why
Can I finish?
No, but it's my social media.
Can I finish? You are
Yes,
speaking
I'll-
from a place
I'll
of
always
privilege
let you
again.
finish.
Yes, you're speaking from a place of privilege again.
Why?
Naked. Because you've been in a relationship that's so secure for so long that you're out of touch with reality.
But
When was the
listen
last?
to me,
When was
Kutso.
the last time?
Kutso.
When was the last time your fiance said to you, "I don't like you doing this," or talking to so and so, or coming home late? I'm sure it was 1974.
No,
So
but-
Naked is saying he's coming from a single perspective.
Yes, I
not
told
in
you.
You
the
must not come
relationship.
from a single
Oh.
perspective.
So
I'm gonna
easy.
write. You come up from a single perspective.
How must I come, girl?
You must come direct, right? And I'm saying you are one of the few people that are in mature, understanding relationships, but you didn't get there just by luck. you got there because there's certain boundaries that were not crossed.
But I also understand the world, right? Like you see those BBL women and they traveling, they doing. Those women are expensive. As bafuni,
Naked.
we can't afford them.
You're not hearing
buy
me.
tennis.
Come and work with
And
me.
then
Work with
okay,
me.
yeah.
Work with me.
And then the
reason
Okay,
why
guys, I think we can come back together
we have to.
after this, ne?
Young Dina,
Sure. Just hold it there.
Zodila ngayo.
Hold it.
EFC is live this Thursday.
Oh, off air. Yo. Anonymous, you started something. Yo.
Anonymous, you assisted. Let me correct Naked again.
Okay.
Naked is saying you shouldn't worry about certain things. His relationship has gotten to a place of 100% security, but it's because there were lines that were not crossed. There were boundaries that were not crossed, because there's a level of respect that Naked is a DJ, ne? And I can assure you
Naked
I
DJ.
can bet when Naked is away, he is still the same guy who does his things and goes to his room and sleeps, right? That on its own takes your relationship to another level of security. Your partner can call you anytime. You can call your partner anytime. You can video call your partner, and you're not video calling because you want to check. You're video calling because you miss them. There's a difference there. Your partner is putting you in a place where you question yourself about a whole. That's not the right thing to do to your partner. The reason why I would go away, and immediately when I land, I say, baby, I've arrived safe. It's not because I'm reporting.
Of course.
It's because I am saying, I'm thinking of you, and I want you to know where I am. We communicate.
Of course.
What
yeah.
do? I build security
Yes.
and comfut.
But we're talking social media. here,
When
not
now
traveling.
we get to social media, and I start liking certain types of people, I am sending messages to your head, to my partner said, which are necessary. Ukuthi, this could be my type. I'm just settling with you, maybe because you're intelligent and because you've got a person, but you're not as beautiful as I would want you to be. You're not saying that, but those could be the messages you are sending to your partner, which is not right.
But you know what a mature person says now?
Yeah.
And I bet you everybody that's listening right now, guys, that person that you're with is not 100% what you envision, what you wanted your partner to be. They're not as wealthy as you want them to be. They're not as tall as you want them to be. They're not as well hung as you want them to be. They don't have all the guys. It's relationships.
Yes.
In life, you learn Uguti. Okay, this is my partner's spec, but for some strange reason, my partner has chosen me. Anonymous, when I move out of my mother's house and I move into my own house, you must not become my mother. I don't want to be mothered and to be told, and the mothers in studio.
Also be single.
And the mothers in
I'm turning
studio.
off your
When I
mic, guys.
started-
Yes.
Sorry,
Speak,
guys.
Anonymous.
When I started, I did say I am holding him accountable to when I mentioned this for the first time. He said to me, I know what I'm doing is wrong, and I need to not do it when I'm in a relationship.
Exactly.
And I will stop it entirely. I'm holding him accountable to. He said it was wrong.
Correct.
If he didn't think it was wrong, then he should have told me then, and I never would have brought it up again. Then I would have decided from there if can you live with this or can you not live
Absolutely.
with that.
Okay.
I'm not
Hold
policing
on.
him.
Hold on.
Anonymous, does he like your images?
He does.
Does he comment on your images?
No, just likes.
Just likes.
I don't think that's neither here or
It's
there.
interesting for me.
Yes, I get it. But like he said, Anonymous, you've just put it nicely. He could have said, no, I'm not going to change. Don't promise and then you break the promise, right? He could have said. So now, and also just to correct to answer your question, not all men do that. Ne?
Okay.
Not all men do that.
I liked Kutso's pictures. What does that mean?
It means she's a colleague. You are both married, and you've got boundaries. You can't comment and go. You can't comment and go. You can't. You can like.
And let me also tell you what I do, guys, on social media. If I know it's a promotion and I don't even know the person, but I can see it's an ad, I like it.
Yes.
You know why? Because I want this person to get their money. I'm not selfish like that.
You see, your
and sometimes your
intentions.
partner should also know, Hore, hey babe, when you post things that are meant to be liked, other people must like it too. And I don't want
These are
their
not
partners
ads.
to be
No,
But
I'm
they're
not
not
an
ads,
ad, but
naked,
you are
they're not ads.
you are trying
They're
so
not
hard,
ads.
Sam. You are trying so hard
Nina
to
nje nifuna
justify.
ukusicontrola and we won't let you. Nonke nje.
No.
Or
naked.
kusho umuntu ofanele abuye endlini ngo-2 namhlanje.
Exactly.
Yes, but I go there because I don't have a mother at home. I've got a lover.
Exactly.
Umuntu that's not hawking over my social media, that's going to tell me don't like this.
But
don't like.
naked,
Anonymous.
your social media, you are not doing
Yima
anything.
wena
Naked,
angijoli nawe
naked,
Somizi. Yo
wena-
uSomizi ungishouta ngathi
you
ngijola
are
naye.
not
Anonymous.
active at all with social media. Naked.
Anonymous.
You just post and keep quiet.
Anonymous.
So your lover can be secure.
Are you anonymous?
I can
wena?
tell you. Naked, it's
Ano-
just that you don't have so.
Can you please switch off Somizi's
No,
mic?
ngikhathele wena.
I'm
Usi-
asking
uthi don't.
I'm going to switch off your
Anonymous.
mics.
Anonymous.
Thank you.
Anonymous. What must he like? Yeah. What is he allowed to like? Sitshele-ke Mkhwanazi, what must he like? What must he not like?
I think it's about respect, naked, and that's the part that you're missing.
Yes.
So I'm saying respect my boundaries. So I don't have a problem with how you can use your social media. It's fine, however you want to. But I'm saying we're in a relationship. And in a relationship, when you come with boundaries, I respect your boundaries. This is my boundaries. You can't be on social media while you're with me.
And also, Anonymous,
yeah,
lastly
yeah,
before I
yeah,
go,
yeah,
lastly
yeah,
before I go, Anonymous.
We need to wrap it.
Now
guys.
it's not his fault. If he continues and you stay, it's no longer his fault.
Okay.
There's two things here. He can either learn a lesson of what boundaries are, or he can learn what it feels like to lose something over nothing. So now it's no longer his fault. You decide what you want to do. Because the fact that you're still there and you are the one again who's going to call him and apologize for...
Oh, no, I'm not. It's been a week.
Yes. No. A week is too short. A month, kunantra, I say, fufusel. You're going to call him. But you can teach him a lesson by walking away.
Teach him a lesson.
Yes, you can teach him a lesson. That's if it's going to be a lesson learned, because now you can be stubborn and go, oh, she's stupid. She left me for my likes.
No, but people let insecure people walk away. So it's not a lesson. He's not going to learn a lesson.
We'll
if you are
see.
I'm
insecure,
not
if you're
insecure,
insecure,
but I
it's
hear
fine.
you.
Anonymous, you see, don't call him until he calls, and you must set your boundaries.
Okay, I'm wrapping it here.
Yes, please.
Please.
Thanks, guys.
Ooh, Anonymous.
Are you feeling light, BBL now? Are you feeling brave, beautiful, and light?
Yes.
Nice one.
Okay.
Nice swap, huh?
Wow. Anonymous, block the noise. Let's hear what South Africa has to say, Anonymous, okay?
Morning, how are you?
Good, thanks to you, my king.
I'm doing good.
Talk to us.
Yeah?
Anonymous, talk to us. We listening?
Oh, yeah. No, I feel like Anonymous is insecure. Ne?
Thank you.
He does not respect my boundaries as a guy. Whereas, why would you go through someone's social media, check what that other person is liking, and
Are you in a
go to
relationship?
the extent?
Are you in a relationship with
I am.
you?
I am in a relationship.
Okay.
Yes.
So if your partner likes sexy men's pictures,
And it shows up in
and it
your
shows up in the thing,
algorithm.
are you okay with that?
That I don't even notice such, because maybe if it does pop up, but why would I now check everything? Check her.
It doesn't change the price of bread, guys. It doesn't change the price of bread.
Maybe I'm overreacting, but it just doesn't sound right.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Anonymous.
All right.
Appreciate your call. Let's go to Viwe out in Cape Town. Good morning, Viwe.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I agree with also Ms. 100%. I'd like to say that the guys today have met a queen, and this is not particularly someone that we're used to. The lady is not poking and going and looking, and these people sat down and they are in a relationship and they agree to the terms and conditions of how they are going to deal with their relationship. All relationships are different. The lady here is in a covenant with the guy, and the guy did also say that I do realize what my fault and I'm going to improve. Clearly, to stick with context, the lady is not saying don't press a heart on advertisement and on political building things. The guy mustn't be an independent thinker. However, of course, as I heard her, she is relevant to what is happening at the time. If someone is half naked and saying things that are supposedly supposed to be liked for that purpose, they have sat down with the guy, whether it's a husband or a boyfriend. She knows who she is and she knows her terms and conditions. And the previous speaker who said that she does not respect the guy's boundaries, those are not the guy's boundaries, because he agreed that their both boundaries are going to be like this. This is how their family or relationship is going to be conducted. And the guy is breaching that. So I applaud the Queen. And this time when Somizi said, teach him a lesson, we're not dealing with us who beg in relationships. This lady, he wants to move on, wants to prosper, wants things that are clean. And she's saying, don't waste my time. And I think her only sin is to give this guy a chance, because you have to give people a chance. People can change. I think that are big and are small. And the lady is obviously serious about this, but doesn't feel that this is something that they should break, or he should punish on the first instance, punish the guy. No, she's saying, I'm giving you a chance. I think she's so matured. We should learn from her.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Naked.
Respect.
Anonymous, what are you going to replace his social media activities with?
Yeah, exactly.
Because for him to stop entirely, there's a huge chance that he must stop looking.
That's right.
What is it that you are going to replace it with? Because he's not doing it voluntarily. He's doing it to respect the boundary and based on your instruction. So what are you going to replace that with?
Wow. I missed the point.
Oh, Carlos Lobosam, I am not going to date someone who likes photos of half-naked men on social media. When I cannot fully understand you, Anonymous. If you have to let him go, please do that, because of an stress. Almost every like that you see, and now social media, especially Facebook, Nalando ET, Ban, and then mentions your person, and 916 others loved or liked this photo. And guess what? Every time you see that half-naked woman there, it's your person and 1,000 other people.
Gents?
We're trying to monetize on social media, guys. Let's help each other. Let's like each other's pictures. If you are insecure, please work on yourself, work on your body. And if you don't have a great body, gunama filter. And then when you filter, even though you don't look like that in real life, it's still fine. We'll still love you. Okay? Yeah.
Excuses. The other guy missed the point. She didn't say he must leave it completely. He said he must just respect the boundaries.
So
but anyway,
today. You are
when
so
someone does not respect your
I'm
boundaries,
turning off your mic naked.
Yes. When someone does not respect your boundaries, it's your fault if you stay when they do so. All right. Goodbye. Good night. Ginithanda nonke. Asazi abanye bekhe emakhaya.
Wow.